Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Loma Teddy. I'm going to take you through Excel. I'm going to introduce you to Excel. In Excel, the pages are not called as pages, they are called worksheets. So sheets are arranged in their number according to their numbers. Like sheet 1, you will find their numbers at the bottom of the worksheet. So in Excel, a worksheet consists of columns and rows. Columns are denoted by letters, rows are denoted by numbers. All formulas in Excel begin with an equal sign. Another thing you need to know about it consists of a formula bar. This is a formula bar. So where a column and a row meet, they form a cell. So like this is a cell now. So in these cells, these ones are not active, these ones are active. Cell is the one containing a bold green line around it. So this becomes our active cell. So when you're giving this one a name, it is A1. The column is A, the row is 1. So when you're typing in your work, and again, another thing before I forget, formulas are user defined, like you put it by yourself. So Excel here simplifies typing. For example, if I want to type in the months of the year, I simply first type January being the first. Instead of me typing all the rest, I just bring my cursor here, click on it, see this plus sign, you put it there, then you drag it down. How many months are in the year? There are 12. You see, they come automatically. So Excel here simplifies typing. For example, if I want, let me extend this one. Here, like when I want to type in maybe the marks or something about it, and I want to sum it up. For example, there are 2, 5, 2, 3. For example, adding your numbers like this. Like I said earlier before, in Excel, all formulas begin with an equal sign. For example, if I want to sum up these numbers, I simply come here, make it active. No? I come to this cell, you type equal to, open, no, equal to sum. Open bracket, this one to this one. When I close my bracket, I click. So that is how they type in formulas. Now when I drag it down like this, it becomes automatically. Like you see when you add those numbers, those are the results you get. This is basically about Excel formulas. This is a formula bar. Formula starts with an equal sign. So thank you for giving me your time. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share so that you access my videos as we learn and grow together. Bye. I love you all. See you in my next video.